I'm disappointed in the jury's verdict, but I respect the justice system and the jury's verdict that they rendered. And as a result of the verdict, I will be resigning my position immediately or as soon as possible.
How damaging do you think those tapes were?
Well, done?
I'm done.
Is it difficult to hear yourself?
What would you want to say to the Cuyahoga County taxpayers?
I'll defer to my attorney.
Yeah.
Do you have any message you want to tell all the people out there, all the citizens of Cuyahoga County?
Well, I'll tell you, we entered a plea of not guilty. We had our day in court. We respectfully disagree with the jury's verdict, but we're all attorneys and we respect the system. It's the greatest system on earth. And sometimes you get these verdicts, but it isn't that. The jury was out almost 8 hours. They had obviously had concerns. And that's the way they found. I mean, that's as good as I can tell you. You know, it wasn't that he asserted a defense in bad faith or. From day one, he's been contesting these charges in good faith and on his belief that he didn't commit a crime or didn't do anything wrong. The jury found otherwise today, and that's how the system works. But he was a good judge, and unfortunately, this is the result. He's going to have to resign as a result of this decision.
How tough was it to overcome those phone calls?
Well, the phone calls were difficult from the very outset. There wouldn't have been a case, but. We had hoped that once the jury heard the other part of the evidence, that the rulings were detrimental to the party seeking the summary judgment, that the settlement didn't occur the way it took months and months and months after that because of the negative rulings that Judge Terry entered, and we had hoped that the jury would find that there was no benefit. But the phone conversations were always the case from day one. They were very difficult. Yeah.
Does he stand with the sentencing guidelines?
You know what? That's filed under seal yet, so we have to wait and see, Paul.
Judge, did you find some solace?
What's
in the fact
next
that
for
you
you?
were found not guilty on 2 of the charges. Your thoughts on the not guilty verdicts?
I've said all I'm going to say.
Do you regret getting involved with Frank Russo now? How do you feel about the man who used to be your mentor?
I think that goes without saying. Let's go, Judge. Hey, thanks for your
thank you for your
courtesies
time.
throughout all this.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.